Okay, so I'm serging the edge, the back opening where our buttonholes and our button loops are gonna go. So we are serging. So now I want I'm gonna use the whole buttonhole if I'm not mistaken. We have up to here, and then we have a little pass, and this part is gonna go, the extra piece is going to go onto the skirt. Okay, so here we are folding over. We have it here. We would sew this down with a regular straight stitch. I'm gonna pin it, and then we fold over like this. So actually this comes on top. So this is on top of the button loop, and we straight stitch this, and then we fold the, Lord, I'm lying. So at the end of it, this is how it's gonna go. So the serge part gets rolled over once and then straight stitch onto the button loops. So it looks like this on one side and like that on the other. See? Great. So I'm happy I got that through. So now we're gonna switch to the other machine. All right, so we're folding everything. This is our dress. So this is the opening. So this is the good side. So we're gonna be folding everything inward and putting a pin. And then we're gonna put our button loops over it. Okay, so everything is pinned. So that's what it looks like. Yep, so then we do this here. So our loops are on the right side and our buttons are on the left. I left a little piece at the top for our hem. Now we're going to add buttons here. Add pins here, the whole thing. camera's being weird. But another thing I would do differently is use a bigger button loop with more spacing in between, because this is a lot of buttons for someone to button up. But I ran out of buttons here, so you see, but I have them now, so I'm about to hand sew those on here. So let's unzip this and see what it looks like. Hopefully the camera doesn't fall. So unzips very easily. Unzips all the way down to the middle of the butt. And let's look at the inside. So here, this is what our zipper looks like. So it looks like the zipper on the inside. All the way down, zipper, zipper, zipper. And then the other side is the zipper as well. But you can see the knots from all of the buttons. So we don't have, so this was hand stitched here at this point. This is just an extra piece of thread. But yeah, so that's how the button loops went. I'm gonna button them for you guys so you can see what it looks like. And then I'll add the rest of the buttons. Before I button it, I want you to know that I just put the zipper in regular, like a regular zipper. I just hid the zipper behind the trim for the most part, and it gets hidden behind this. If it was a brown color zipper, it would have been better to hide, but good thing that the trim is white, so it's not a big deal. Okay, so this is what our buttons look like so far. I didn't button all of them. So this comes all the way down, all the way down. So I have to put a button here. There's no button right there. And then this will come all the way down, and we're gonna fill in those spaces there.